Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I, like so many other doll collectors, really have fallen in love with these little potato dolls. I think they're also called Mia dolls. I just think they're cute, 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 cute. And let's get this. Oh, this is a straight. These are straight arms. How about that? Okay, I've been buying the articulated. Look, she has no face. I've been buying the articulated that also sing, but I got these for another reason. They actually have a reason, Darren.
Of course they do.
Boy, they must be making these faster than they made black dolls, because they're just cramming these in. They barely, look at that, they barely cut her bangs. Actually, it's cuter like that. Because if we're all the way over here, it would look quite odd. Oh, she's a little cutie. Gonna need some clothes. Well, what the heck? She's got a mark on her. Well, that's aggravating. And then I bought this little girl for a purpose.
Beloved and dressed.
Yeah, and naked clothes. Let's pull this out and see what her hair was really cute. Real curly little hair. Ooh, how do they even... What the heck? All right. Oh, she's cute. I'm not going to mess with her hair too much because I'm not getting her ready. It was a little curlier, but oh, that's pretty perfect. How cute are these little potato dolls? They're just so simple and just different. Thanks for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Do you have potato dolls? Are you buying potato dolls? Are you going to join in December 21st for the... Dress Them Like a Charlie Brown character or characters? Darren and I are hosting that. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Join us Thursday nights live at 6 p.m. Central.
I can just picture them both in a Charlie Brown cartoon.
Yeah, for sure.
Just
For
so
sure.
perfect.